Do you own the Canon G7X Mark II? Have you noticed that when you edit your videos, there's a continuous clicking sound throughout your footage? I'm going to show you how you can fix that. Hi guys, Dee here, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am going to do a video for anyone who owns the Canon G7X Mark II. This camera, the Canon G7X, is very popular, especially for YouTubers, and it is a very popular camera for people who enjoy vlogging. There are so many pros to this camera, but there are a couple of cons. I only have two cons and two issues with this camera personally. One is that it does not have a mic input, and the other is the continuous clicking sound that I was hearing in my video footage. This clicking sound that you hear on the Canon G7X is the camera's autofocus trying to hunt. It's trying to hunt and focus on a subject. I first heard this sound when I first uploaded one of my videos from my Canon G7X onto my mobile phone, and I heard the clicking sound for the first time. I was very upset. It's not nice when you spent a lot of time making content and spent so much time filming and then you hear that something's gone wrong. I just want to show you guys what you can do to get rid of that sound. I'm also going to give you a couple of examples, doing a sit down example and a vlogging example using this method, and a version of me not using the method to show you the difference between the sounds in the video footage. To fix this sound, you need to set your camera to autofocus lock. This is the trick, guys. You need to lock in your focus. Yes, this works especially for when you're doing sit down videos because your focus is going to be locked in one place, but it also works for vlogging as well. Some people may not agree with me, but for me personally, I've tested this a couple of times this week, and I've realized that when I'm vlogging, it doesn't make too much of a difference when I've got it on autofocus lock. It obviously locks onto me and my face, and it locks onto the surroundings. I'm going to show you how you can set this camera to autofocus lock. Okay, so to set autofocus lock, it's as easy and simple as going to menu. So I'm going to press menu. I'm going to go to option number 2 on the red bar. I'm going to press where it says set ring function button. It's already on autofocus lock. I'm going to press the set button in the middle. And as you can see, there's different settings here, but I want to keep it on AFL for autofocus lock. I'm going to press set, and that's gonna keep my autofocus lock set there. So every time when I want to film and use autofocus lock, all I need to do is press the ring function button. It's like a shortcut. So when I press that, it will function and go to autofocus lock. But you have to press this button before you start filming. So I'm going to press ring function. There you see on the right hand corner, it says AFL. So it's now in autofocus lock mode, and then I can press record. If I want the focus to focus somewhere else, all I need to do is tap the screen once, and as you can see, the autofocus lock has come off. You cannot press the ring function button again to put it back on autofocus lock. To do this, you'd have to stop recording and then set your autofocus lock again, and then you can start recording. Okay guys, so this is an example of me doing a sit down video, and I'm using the Canon G7X Mark II. I've got it on face tracking. I've got the autofocus lock mode off. Okay, so I'm going to be silent in a second. I'm just moving around, allowing the camera to track my face, and I'm going to be silent so that you guys can hear the clicking sound. Okay guys, so this is me doing a sit down video using the Canon G7X Mark II, and I've got the autofocus lock mode on, and I'm going to be silent so that you guys can hear how silent it is. I'm moving around and there's no sound. The camera's focused on me because the autofocus lock is on, and there's no sound. Guys, I have got it on auto tracking, so it's literally tracking my face now. I'm going to be quiet so that you guys can hear the continuous clicking sound whilst it's trying to track me when the autofocus lock is off. Are you guys hearing the clicking sound? It might not bother some people, but it definitely bothers me. I do not like it personally. And as I'm talking now, you might be able to realize that you can't hear the clicking noise as much because my voice is overpowering the sound. But if I'm doing a shot of maybe something in the background where I may not be talking, that's when you're going to hear the clicking sound more. The camera is now set to autofocus lock mode, so I'm vlogging now and the camera is focused on me for sure. It's still on face tracking mode, but the camera is not going to be making that sound in the background. It's on autofocus lock, so it should be silent. As you can tell, there's not much difference in the background. It's not really like blurring anything out dramatically as it's focusing more on me. I think it's quite similar to having the autofocus lock off, so I don't mind it personally. Some people might think it's a problem, but me, I don't mind to vlog with the autofocus lock on because I think that everything still looks quite similar, so I'm fine with that. I'm going to be silent now so you guys can hear how silent it is. Autofocus lock mode is on and you're not going to hear the clicking sound. I started in this position so the camera was focused on me and maybe a bit of the TV behind me. It's still in autofocus lock, and as I move the camera around, you can still see stuff in the background. Like, you can still see everything. It might be slightly blurred, but that's fine. That's what the camera does anyways. I think it's on f-stop 1.8, so it is going to blur out some of the background. Comparing it to the clip before, it's not much different, so if anything it's exactly the same. So guys, this is the solution. If you want to get rid of the clicking sound in the videos, put it on autofocus lock mode and you guys can enjoy this beauty of a camera. This is the #1 camera for me. It's so compact, you can literally put it in your pocket and you're ready to go, like wherever you are, whatever the situation. This camera is amazing. Thanks so much guys for watching my video. I hope this has helped someone out there who has the Canon G7X or who is looking to buy the Canon G7X Mark II. And I'm so happy to be here helping you guys out because I know how important this is to some people. This is a big investment. Buying this camera is not cheap, so you want everything to be perfect when you're using it. Being a content creator, you want your content to be its best. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. See you later. Bye. My #1 tip would be to always remember to lock your focus before pressing record if this sound bothers you as much as it bothers me. Last thing you want to do is forget and realize that you forgot when you're editing your videos. Doing retakes can be time consuming and boring, so let's get it right first time. Stay tuned for more Canon G7X Mark II videos coming soon.